Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright guys, so we do have some spoilers for the December Ipsy GlamBag Plus box. But before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now let's read the first comment from my last video, which was some spoilers for the December BoxyCharm Premium Box. Congratulations, 1DFLYLPN. Says, hey Mandy, glad you're well. Well, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. And thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos. And I love you so, so much. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, make sure to leave a comment under this here video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances of getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know. I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, so we're just going to go ahead and jump in. Now, we already seen some of these spoilers, but some of them are new, so they're just all mixed together. But let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing is this is not Evolve. I said Evolve in the last video, but it's Evolue. I think that's how you say that, skincare. This is the hydrating serum. And then we have the Verso Skincare Eye Cream. Next is the Complex Culture Press and Set Bronzer Brush. Then we have the Tarte Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Stay Spray Setting Spray. That was a mouthful. And then next is the Ipsy the Fulton Eye Quad. And then next is the Illamasqua Liquid Liner. Next is the Morphe Mega Matte Lipstick in the shade Dominate. And last but certainly not least is the Evolue Skincare Super Oil. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, you know I'm going to keep you updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. Now guys, let's read the comment that I picked in my last video. Congratulations. I think it's Verinda Singh. Don't you come after me. I can't pronounce anything. Anyways, Verinda says, I never get a shout out. Well, here's your shout out, Verinda. I really appreciate the comment, honey, and thank you so much for taking the time to watch and comment on my videos, and I love you so, so much. Remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to get a shout out, and guys, please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. YouTube's taking my subscribers, likes, comments, they're taking it all. They're trying to ruin my life is what they're trying to do, but if you would double check that and make sure you're still subscribed, and if you're not, then why the hell not? It's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept it. So you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit that thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. It really just shows engagement, but it also shows me what videos you guys are liking and what I need to do more of. And then there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out of this video. Damn YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss no more spoilers. You'll be on top of them all. That's it. That's all I got for you, and I love y'all so, so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.